Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to link VidIQ Chrome extension to your YouTube channel. First of all, make sure to install VidIQ. Go to your browser and then type VidIQ. Click the first option. You'll be redirected to this page. After that, click install Chrome extension from here. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Make sure to install it. After that, it will pop up to the browser's extension. You can find it from here. Now, if you click it, it will tell you to connect. So click sign up. Now click sign up with Google, and from here you must select the email account that is linked to your YouTube channel. It will redirect you back. Go again to the Chrome extension, reopen VidIQ extension. After that you have to authenticate, so click it, and now you have to click connect your channel. Do the same thing, click select all to give access to VidIQ these functionalities. Click continue. After that VidIQ will be connected to your YouTube channel successfully. Click ignore and click X if you don't want to upgrade. Click ignore, and that's it. If you have this dashboard right here, it means that you have successfully connected and you can explore all the functionalities of the SES application or the Chrome extension. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.